The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has recently released multiple major recruitment notifications for apprentice and technician positions across its different operational centers. Detailed current opportunities can be verified through the ISRO Careers portal. First, ISRO STRAC Apprentice Recruitment 2026. The ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network ISTRAC released a recruitment drive advertised number STRAC 01 2026 for 1 year of training. Total vacancies 95 to 96 positions. Eligibility criteria पहला ग्रेजुएट अप्रेंटिस ट्रेनी, डिप्लोमा अप्रेंटिस ट्रेनी and ITI trade apprentices. Second is candidates must have completed their BE, BTech, diploma or ITI courses in the year 2024, 2025 or 2026. Candidates must also be registered on the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme NATS portal. Monthly stipend 2,300 rupees for graduates, 10,900 rupees for diploma holders and 9,600 rupees for ITI trade apprentices. Selection process based on academic merit and an interview round with no written examination required. Crucial dates: applications opened on June 22, 2026 and the deadline to apply via email is July 31st, 2026. Interview phases will be conducted between late August and mid-September 2026 across Lucknow, Sri Vijayapuram and Bengaluru. Second is ISRO SAC Apprentice Recruitment 2026. The Space Applications Center SAC in Ahmedabad issued an official alert notice number NA SAC RMT APP 2026 for diverse specialized role. Eligibility positions: graduate, technician, diploma and trade ITI apprentices across 16 different post codes. Age limit generally ranging between 18 to 35 years. Selection process is conducted via a specialized walk-in recruitment process. Crucial dates: the official walk-in schedule and registration window span from June 20, 2026 to July 3, 2026. Third is core technical and other openings aside from standard apprentice training window. Various ISRO segment consistently publish distinct notification for career appointments. Research and fellowship roles: the Satish Dhawan Space Center SDSC SAR is receiving applications for research associate posts July 17, 2026. Additionally, the UR Rao Satellite Center URSC has an active window for junior research fellow open until July 11, 2026. Permanent technician postings: while recent notifications heavily focus on apprenticeships, core structural divisions like the National Remote Sensing Center NRSC frequently utilize independent testing frameworks to fill permanent regular positions such as technical assistant and technician D.